Today we are in the pool room. If you remember, if you saw my video when I when we bought this property, here in this room we had a big pool with a lot of trash. The pool is gone because it was stinky. There was a dead animal inside. Either way, it's gone, everything is cleaned. So now we will explore the attic. I have here a ladder. Open it first. It's quite dark in there. Like that. So yeah, it's a nice ladder. Let's go up to explore. First I need to make sure that nothing will jump on me. I don't know what creatures can be here, but there's a lot of stuff here. Come up and see. So on this side you can see the roof, and this is a new structure added on top. There's a ton of junk here. I like the structure of the roof. It's a newer structure. You can even see here this beefy laminated beam. Also you can see, like everything on this house, they cut the wires. You see down there, it's electric box with cut wires. Yeah, so let's see what we can find here. If we'll find something valuable. This here was a game with water, but there is no more water. Oh, this thing is inside here. Yeah, seems to be complete. Oh yeah. Let's see, what is this? International data, travel diary. Okay. An 8-foot inflatable Santa Claus, and seems to be here with everything, with the electric cord. Okay, here we have a bunch of old envelopes. Puzzle? Oh yeah, it's here. Okay, I like puzzles. What is this? Oh. I don't know, but I don't like it. What else we have here? A flag of some kind. It's a long flag. Open, what's this here? Open house. Okay, so when we'll sell this house we have a flag. Next thing, a brand new home right video cassette and a brand new paint stick. Oh, it's a brand new paint stick. And don't tell me that this video cassette is with instructions. A monkey, some creepy dolls, a creepy bear, some old fake flowers. What else? I love the fact that we have a floor here inside an empty box of a small Christmas tree. Here. Some lights probably, or this thing. I don't know what is this thing. It's something inflatable, something that you will inflate. Maybe something for the pool. Oh yeah, another Christmas ornament that will inflate with lights. These are some stands for some music equipment, I suspect. Another creepy Christmas doll. Oof, another Christmas ornaments. What is this? Coca-Cola, brand new musical collection. Oh, okay. Maybe these things are or have some value. Something. Coca-Cola mug. Yeah. Some toys. Another videotape. This is an empty box. Come on. Yeah, it's empty, I think. Oh, everything here is Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola, you can see. This thing is from inside here. Oh, a creepy flower basket. And a big mirror. It's a big mirror. Okay. Another box with some trash. A bird cage. We need a bird now. We have the cage. Some white powder. I'm scared to sniff it. This was a globe, Christmas globe. Everything here is for Christmas. A white Christmas tree. So we had another one, a green one, in a different part of the house, in a different attic. The same, even that one need to be explored because I didn't explore it completely. There it's a metal shelvings with these legs over here. You see the electrical. Lovely, lovely. On this side we have a disco ball. What else is here? What is it here? World. Hey, this is a map. A world map. Canada, North America, United States. Okay, let's keep this intact. Ooh. Ooh. A 1918 something. It's a very old keyboard. This is from a stamp. Some books. I think these are for our pool. These are to clean the pool. These are part of the pool vacuum system. Yeah, you combine them. A big panda bear. Yeah, and the missing key on the keyboard. Next, what we have here. I don't know what is this. Ooh. What else? Let's see here. This is empty, but I think we have a part from that vacuum, or it's a different vacuum. Oh, I found my shoe. It's a little bit bigger. I think it's a 42. I'm 41. Okay. What is this? This is something new and unopened. Can you keep the light? Whoa! This is a window, an attic window. Ooh. Nice! And also there's a video cassette here with a tape. Fashion windows, installation, instruction, video. Let's see if we have a date here. I don't see any dates. Okay. What else we have? These are some, I don't know what they are called for the kitchen table. Some lights. Some skeleton heads. Let's see. What else we have here? A piece of plywood. Oh! This is something that I always wish to have. A fire truck. And it's an electric fire truck with remote control. Fire engine, sorry, it's not a fire truck, it's a fire engine. Oh, we need to find batteries from this one to test it. What is this here? Oh, this is a pole. What else we have here? What are those? Oh, it's fixed, it's plastic. Yes, so now we are at the end of the attic. Look here, even the outside light cable was cut. You see another cable cut there. But I can, another cable cut in that corner. I don't know if you see it. Yeah, I can restore those. Some cables cut here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Yes, sir. So let me know if you want to see something from here pulled out, pulled down, and test it. What is this? Where is the head? What was this? I don't know. Oh, yeah. So, yeah. Fashion windows. Probably they had this prepared for that area. Who knows? I also have a vent here, a roof vent. That is going outside. Yeah, so this is our exploration here in the attic. We have some Michael Jackson gloves. Nah, they are not Michael Jackson. Spider-Man, Action Man. Yeah, let's go down. It's hot in here.